Is it an album? She's clicking a picture of me.
Strike a pose. If you put that on the vlog, I'm gonna get cancelled before I am even famous.
Normally this is not how I start a video, but since I made this YouTube channel to basically like document my life and share the things that I experience and do with y'all, I am telling you all this story.
This story is about me going for an interview. Like, know that I did not apply to this company, okay? But like any nice person, I would not want to miss an opportunity that sounds kind of good at the beginning. Yeah. So like this company just called me and I was like, sure, I can come for an interview and share. And like, let me tell you this one more thing. When the call interview happened, I gave XYZ answers very specifically, and I thought that they would be okay with those answers and then only go for an in-person interview, okay? Basically, it was about the numbers, that I wanted a certain expected number to come in my bank account, and they were like, okay, sure, I'll come for an in-person interview. I was like, okay, sure, I'll come, I'll do it. So I went for this interview, alright? I'm not taking any names, I'm not taking any company names. I go to the office. First of all, where the fuck was the office? Okay, but like I could not find it. It was in someone's bungalow. Well, I'm not judging for its address. It's fine. Like I've seen companies which do really good with really bad addresses, but yeah. Well, I showed them my work. I showed everything that I've done. They were impressed. They liked my, I don't know, like, I'm not sure if I can say this. They liked my personality or something like that. I don't know. Like I speak very nicely, okay. So they were impressed, okay. But then when I said the number, okay, like I want XYZ number. They were like, this is not we can offer. We can offer the exact number that you're getting right now. Like, why would I leave the company then? Sir, why would I leave the company? Okay. I was like, alright. Then what are the benefits? Like, what are the benefits that you're giving me that I should leave that company for your company for the exact same number? And this person, they're like, oh, we have an intern from 2 years. An intern from 2 years? Why would you have an intern from 2 years? And he was like, oh, we gave him a bike. Listen, I have like huge EMIs, okay? Like, I have huge EMIs. If that person is giving me a bike, what am I going to do? Like, I can't sit and sell that bike, like, wait for a buyer to buy that bike, get the money, and then pay off my EMI. Like, you get what I mean? Like, also, intern ko bike diya, okay? Understandable, fine. You do you, like, whatever is sailing your boat, like, sure, like, giving a bike is working for you, like, fine. Like, but as an intern, taking a bike is also, like, good for you, I don't know. And then he goes, like, oh, we gave one intern a gold coin. Gold is fucking expensive, okay? Like, yeah, I'm not believing that. But then in my mind, I'm like, what kind of psychological game is this? Like, what am I sitting? Like, where am I sitting? Like, who am I talking to? Like, this suddenly does not feel like a job interview. This feels like, oh, you have cash prize, oh, you have gold coin, oh, you have this prize, that prize. That cannot be, first of all, that cannot be company employee benefits also. Okay, like, these cannot be employee benefits. Like, this is more like manipulation. It felt like manipulation. Like, you just desperately wanted me to say yes. I would not. But like, this is a crazy shit, okay? Like, a lot of these companies, like, they will want a person who has experience of like 4 to 5 years, okay? But then they will pay equivalent of someone who has 2 years of experience. Why would I leave my current company and come to you? Like, make it make sense, bestie. Make it make sense. Like, you get what I mean? Like, don't fall for such things, bestie. Like, I don't know if it was true in my case or not. I'm not believing that. I don't think it was true. Like, also, like, they had their own ways of saying, like, oh, you cannot get because you did not perform well. Well, my salary still remains the same after changing. And I'm not getting a bike. Why would it change? Yeah, but I don't know, like, it sounds so stupid. Like, what the fuck? Like, why did I even go for the interview? I did not even apply. Okay, I thought it was a very good opportunity and that's why I went to the interview. And nothing turned out positive out of it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this was stupid. I felt so stupid going over there. Huh. But yeah, damn, this is how the video is starting. Okay. But anyway, today is weekend. And normally, since I work from home, the only thing that I can do is to keep myself sane is go and hang out with my friends during weekends. So that's where we are going. So let's go.
Alright, you know what? First of all, excuse my hair. I was traveling by bike, so
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
yeah, it's a struggle. I'm in Borivali right now. I'm just meeting up with my friend. We are hanging out at a cafe. We were supposed to do cafe hopping in Bandra, but then I realized most of the cafes in Bandra are just crowded. If everyone collectively decides to fart, it would be an atomic explosion. So Borivali it is. Borivali, यहाँ पे कोई आता जाता है नहीं. So we are going to a cafe in Borivali. Let's see which cafe it is. I'm not sure how to pronounce its name. It's Tibati. I don't know. Some cafes really do be having like crazy ass names, but we are going to a cafe and I'll do a cafe review. Yeah, I'm just going to review everything. Let's go. It's very amras mein masala type situation. I ordered matcha, but let's see how that matcha is. Matcha mango, by the way. I don't know if you're able to hear me, but I just dub it. Actually, you know what? Sakshi over here, this girl is the reason that I'm on YouTube. Like, I don't give enough credit to you.
Really?
Yeah, I don't. So last year on my birthday, so you know, it was all talks. कि मेरे को YouTube करना है, okay. But there was no plan. And like back in 2019, I wanted to start. I was trying to make like my first video, but mentally I was not in the right space that time. You know, I used to like get demotivated very quickly. Yeah, 2019. And तभी नहीं हुआ. Cut to 2025. On my birthday. 5. On my birthday, I was also not feeling like celebrating anything like that because all my friends were also not around. But I was like, okay, Sakshi is there. Like, you know, I should at least hang out with her. So I just called her and like, oh, we should go for lunch or something like that. We went. And ये मेरे को बोलती I bought a pair of shoes for you. Like, I'll actually insert that video over here.
What, I gave you that box of shoe and you said like, I don't want to be a bitch, but you're बहुत हल्का है. You said that to me.
I did say that. Not halka. I said box बहुत छोटा है because my feet are big. Yeah.
हल्का also you said like.
Yeah.
Like मैंने कुछ doctor slippers लिए हो.
हाँ मेरे को वो लगा होगा शायद. I must have said that. Very possible. And I'm like ये shoes क्यों लाई है? तो but I was like okay fine ठीक है shoes लाया इतना like लाया मेरे लिए तो I was like I should be grateful. I'm always grateful, okay. But then I opened the box and I'm like oh my god microphone Bluetooth microphone लाया and lighting का setup kind of चीज. I was like shit, holy shit. Now I cannot prove this girl wrong. I have to do it. I have to do YouTube. And then the first video was made. Yeah. So I don't give enough credit to you.
I see you using those things though.
I use it in the meetings. What? I use it in the meetings.
Sunlight क्या है that? Sunlight lamp, whatever.
Sun lamp, yeah. That I use, yes. That time I had different plans. I wanted to do more short form content, which I didn't get to do, which I don't get to do often because work. But yeah, more. Oh my god, mango matcha is here.
Huh? What the fuck?
Why is it grass?
Matcha is supposed to feel the grassy. Yeah.
It's not very like on my face grass, but this
Mango is a bit stronger, but I guess I like it, yeah.
this mango chili lemonade. I'm giving it 8.5 on 10 because I think it's the highest I've given so far. And the chili was only on the lip and not within the like. So I just think like I'm being scammed like that. But
Okay. What about matcha?
no comment.
In my opinion, though, this matcha was pretty good. The mango was too overpowering, but it's fine. Like I enjoyed it, so I guess I would give 7.
That's very high.
Not very high in terms of matcha, but it was 7. Yeah, I'll give that. It's good. It's good. Anyway, what are we ordering now?
This Nanza art style pizza. What does that mean?
Should we get it? Nanza? It's like naan के ऊपर pizza. Should we try it? Alright, we ordered the naan pizza. It's a very Nanza. How's it? Thinking. It's good? Let's try. It's a very crazy concept. Like I never thought.
It's like thin crust pizza.
Yeah.
You are going to feel the naan.
Chewiness. Interest would be like very crunchy. This is like soft, chewy. This is good. I think I prefer this over thin crust. It's good. Cheesecake. Honestly, this cheesecake was like any other cheesecake that you would find in a cafe. Those heavy, dense, cheesy kind. But I can't really rate this one cause the best kind that I have had is the Bandra Basque, and I may be biased. If you haven't watched that video, it's on my channel, you can watch it. But yeah, to me, the number one spot is still taken by Bandra Basque. But yeah, this cheesecake was pretty decent. We are done with the cafe. It was pretty cool cafe, honestly. My hair is still looking funny, but anyway, whatever. What are your thoughts on the cafe?
Good ambience.
Acha, you like the ambience?
That was good.
Food?
Food could have been better, like both the pizza and the bus cake or like cheesecake, but the drinks were really nice.
Yeah, I actually agree. Her drink was really good. I should have actually ordered. I think I should have ordered the same.
I think उनका like एक ये था cranberry with black coffee, that would have also been good. But उनके drinks के options were endless.
I guess mango was really nice. We both ordered the mango version of drinks, and since it is seasonal, I guess that was the best decision we took. Like matcha had very good mango. I guess even yours had very good mango. Like, yeah, but yours was like very like ऐसा like chatak matak choli chatak. it had spice on the rim, spice and salt on the rim. So that was like really nice, like very twisty, very tangy kind of situation. But yeah, like the cafe is pretty good. But anyway, what are we doing now? We are going to the park. There is some park which is like 5 rupees entry, and it has tortoise. Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So we went to the park, but we didn't spot a single turtle. A week later, we get to know that a lot of these turtles were actually harmed due to the El Nino situation that was going on. So yeah, I hope the turtles are fine now. Alright, so I'm here to meet Jamie, since she also lives in Borivali. And I guess I see her. Is it her? I don't know. It is her. Hi. Yes, it is Jamie already.
Again.
Oh, yes. Again.
तू वहाँ से आया फिर यहाँ पे आया क्या?
नहीं, I was on the bike.
Oh.
Yeah. मैंने ये देखा तो I was like यही होगा ना location. So I sent you the photo. That's why.
Because this is like recognizable from everywhere.
Right.
Language
Why do you look so tired?
हाँ? मैं
You look very tired.
मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ गई. मेरे बाल गीले अभी तक टपक रहे हैं.
Girl, what the fuck? Where should we go though?
बता. Brothers Burger King, Domino's, Nike. What do you want to have?
What do you like?
I like hanging out with you, Nihal.
I'm the coolest person. Y'all should hang out. Oh, y'all are already hanging out. Oh shit. Y'all are already hanging out. Yeah, we can go to Burger King.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to Burger King.
Chalo.
Since they have better drink options, I believe. What is your opinion? Oh, holy shit. Guys, it is a truth. Monster Paglu, show it.
Every time you meet me, there is like monsters on me.
There is Pocky as well. Okay, we should go to Burger King only.
Chalo.
Yeah.
Okay. Eyes closed.
You see how I'm getting instructions? Okay.
Put your hand out. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Turn it away. It's a poster. Turn it away.
You made it?
No.
It is a coaster that says matcha addict. Yes, I did have matcha today. I'm not a matcha addict, but yeah, I like it.
Yes.
I like it. I like the color. It's green. You give me anything that is green.
They had two variants.
I love it.
white with green से लिखा हुआ text, and then there's green with white text, and I'm like, obviously I'm gonna pick the green.
Damn, and it is very Nino color.
Yeah.
Nino green. I like it. Wait, I have yours also. So I remember last time when we spoke, I forgot to give you. I ran out of stickers to give her.
Yeah.
So I bought the sticker. Yes.
Gimme.
Why are you smelling?
So listen, I am usually dumb.
Huh?
But Nanami, he makes me dumber than I am.
You're working in corporate also.
Let's not talk about the bad words here. I am a very powerful person, okay?
Maltese. I thought this was Pocky. Wait,
Right.
why are you giving it to me?
Because मैं तो लिया एक मेरे एक तेरे. Sweet is always important.
You know, fun fact about me. All of my friends just spoil me like I'm their sugar baby. But guess what?
What?
I had this old camera. You must have seen on my Instagram.
Oh yeah, I did.
She's clicking a picture of me.
Strike the pose.
Wait, you're really good at clicking pictures.
I am, but अभी angles अच्छे नहीं आ रहे वो अंकल का बम. The fuck? Am I goated or what?
You are.
मैं.
Do that again.
No,
She's goated, guys. She's goated.
मैं. कभी नहीं होगा. If you put that on the vlog, I'm gonna get cancelled before I am even famous.
So I was out doing my work and then I decided to meet my friend. And he bought something. Clearly he didn't need to, but I low-key recognize what it is. Is it an album? Is it a photo book?
It's actually an album. And you're listening to the song of the album, by the way. Thirsty being one of the most important songs on it.
Let me process.
Oh, stress.
Why have I never seen this photo in my life? Oh shit.
I think,
I swear I did not expect something like this.
see, you're a very big fan of Taman,
I was
and your life would be incomplete if you would have not had this, right?
Is that the reason why you called me and you were asking whether...
Yeah, I didn't. So I don't know. मेरे को ऐसा था कि I didn't know if you had the album. Maybe you did had one. ना मेरे को पता नहीं था ना.
I was like literally listening to Taman, like
Yeah, this is
the same.
Yeah, this is the original album cover with the red thing, right? This is the second version, which is extremely rare. So,
Bro, you're too smart. You're too
sorry,
shiny is always 5.
it's just fine.
Shiny is always 5.
And if I'm right now, the very देख लेना. I think we'll wrap up this unboxing today.
I can't process. Alright, I also went to Mr. DIY and I bought this. I bought it only because it is green and it's like very calming. So I'm going to stay hydrated now. Clear skin in 6 months. In 6 weeks. I bought this. I'm going to pot a small plant. I don't know why. I just felt like when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I want to pot a small plant in this. And like look at it and be happy. So that's the reason I bought this. This was for like 31 rupees. This was for 75 rupees. Alright, random food review. I just saw that Mad World Donut has a matcha donut. Like this is what it looks like. And seeing how matcha is sold in the cafes nowadays, I don't have high hopes. like if it will be like you know like good quality matcha. But let's try. Let's. Wait, let me try once more. Actually, you know what? Matcha doesn't work on this. Matcha is not doing anything on this. It's not even making me realize if it is good matcha, bad matcha. The donut is just sweet. It's like overpowering. I don't know where the matcha is. Is it worth it? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh wait, what is this jelly thing? Okay, there's some jelly thing.
Oh.
What? It's like cherry jam and matcha mix. Okay, I really don't know how to feel about it, but
Do you think it's
I
worth
don't
the
know.
money? Is it
for
worth-
199, I don't think so. I would buy the chocolate one.
Damn.
Yeah, because I can't taste matcha. The donut is too sweet for matcha, so whatever. I'll just still eat because I enjoy eating anyway, so. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below the number of times I said matcha in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!